Your question is, which one of the following statements is not true? Your options are A. Prime Minister is the chairman of the Planning Commission of India. B. Planning Commission is the highest decision-making body for planning in India. C. Secretary of the Planning Commission is also the Secretary of the National Development Council. Or D. The National Development Council is presided over by the Prime Minister of India. Right answer is B. Planning Commission is the highest decision-making body for planning in India. Your question is, the National Development Council NDC 1 discusses the progress of the national plan, 2 suggests the ways to achieve the goals of the national plan, 3 gives guidelines to formulate the national plan, 4 suggests allocation of money in planning. Considering the above statements, select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A 1, 2 and 3, B 2, 3 and 4, C 1, 2 and 4 or D all of the above. Right answer is A 1, 2 and 3. Discusses the progress of the national plan, suggests the ways to achieve the goals of the national plan, and gives guidelines to formulate the national plan. Your question is, which of the following is the main function of National Development Council in India? Your options are A. To activate the means and efforts of states for implementation of the planning. B. To develop the general policies in all the important areas. C. To confirm the balanced development in all the areas of the country. Or D. All of these. Right answer is D, all of these. To activate the means and efforts of states for implementation of the planning, to develop the general policies in all the important areas, and to confirm the balanced development in all the areas of the country. Your question is, who among the following constitutes the National Development Council? 1. The Prime Minister. 2. The Chairman, Finance Commission. 3. Ministers of the Union Cabinet. 4. Chief Ministers of the States. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Your options are A. Only 1, 2 and 3. B. Only 1, 3 and 4. C. Only 2 and 4 or D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is B. Only 1, 3 and 4. The Prime Minister, Ministers of the Union Cabinet and Chief Ministers of the States. Your question is, who acts as the Secretary of National Development Council NDC? Your options are A. Secretary Ministry of Finance, B. Secretary Ministry of Planning, C. Secretary Planning Commission or D. Secretary Finance Commission. Right answer is C. Secretary Planning Commission. Your question is, National Development Council is primarily related to. Your options are A. Approval of 5-year plans, B. Execution of village development plans, C. Formulation of development plans, or D. The financial relation between states and union. Right answer is A. Approval of 5-year plans. Your question is, who presided over the meetings of the National Development Council of India? Your options are A. Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission of India, B. Prime Minister of India, C. Finance Minister of India, or D. Vice President of India. Right answer is B. Prime Minister of India. Your question is, which among the following functions as a coordinator between the Planning Commission and state governments? Your options are A. National Integration Council, B. Finance Commission, C. National Development Council, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. National Development Council. Your question is, when was the National Development Council formed in India? Your options are A. 26th January 1950, B. 2nd October 1950, C. 6th August 1951, or D. 6th August 1952. Right answer is D. 6th August 1952. Your question is, who among the following is the CEO of the Niti Aayog? Your options are A. Amitabh Kant, B. S.S. Mundra, C. Cyrus Mistry, D. Soumya Kanti Ghosh, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. Amitabh Kant.